Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to print your file on Google Docs with the comments, of course, as we said in Google Docs. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, go here to the URL section, just type Google Docs, hit the enter button. That will take you now into this page. From here, click at the first link, make sure it's not an ad or advertisement, and that should take you now into this page. And from here, you would like to click at the sign in option at the top right corner to log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at sign up for free. And once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here at this home page or with this main screen. And once you did when from here, sorry, you will be able to create a new document, a blank one, or you can just go and choose some of their templates, which is provided by Google Docs and totally free, or you can just go and open some of your recent documents, which is I'm going to do, and actually it is empty right here. And as we said, we'd like to print like our documents with the comments. So let me just, we can add a comment if we have nothing on the page. So let me just add this here, and we can just add a comment on that, and thanks, why not, and comments. So now, as you can see, we'll have this option or this text with a thanks option. So how can we print it actually our documents with that comment? So of course here I'm just going to click at file and I'm going to click at print, or you can just go here and click at print, or you can use your keyboard and click at Control P. Those three options will open this for you. So here, as you can see, you will have to choose your destination, which is your print. I don't have any of it here, but the problem here is you don't have the option of to print it with the comments here. So what you have to do actually is to go and download your Google Doc file as a Word document, and your local computer you will have to open your Word file and go to review. Now, then you'd like to click or select the show comment option, then go to file and print, and of course just click print to print the document. And you can also like click Control P as I showed you to go to print preview directly, and then click at print and you'll print your file with the comments. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.